Good evening. Sanibona nonke. Can you guys hear my voice tonight? Can you guys hear my voice tonight? All right. People are saying they can hear my voice. So I think funeke ungive and you have to see my screen. So you've got to hear my voice and you also have to see my screen. So now I'm on the screen sami ngicela ukuthi uchafade nale button like drop i-call bese you just rejoin again, ne? So nangaba awusibona iscreen sami ikusuke kwi-network. So kwi-network, so we just drop the call bese uyajoyina again. Okay, Mr. Lungelo, we are in class, you are in bed. If we are in class, it means that wena uphethe paper ne-pen and you are not just watching, you are taking notes, ne? And please turn off your video. Ema-video ethu siyawavala during class so that singatodisturb labanye abantwana. Amen. Alright, so namhlanje kufuneka sikhulume about day 3. Day 3 it is social media and paid advertising. I hope everyone is finished watching the class Laitolo. If our connect joiner yesterday because of rain, so I hope you made time obviously so yeah, go through the notes and everything. The video is in the group and the notes are on the group for yesterday's class. Ne? Namhlanje kufuneka sikhulume about social media and paid advertising, but I feel like let me start somewhere before figure out Tsala. So I'm going to skip this class for today because before we can get there. Ne? So let us go for. I want us to do what we're supposed to do on Friday. Screw me about brand identity and visual design because it is in line with what we're doing yesterday. So nasikuhlanganisa kutewakha more sense so that bantu bangasali endleleni ne. So ladies and gentlemen, my name is Renebo Menzi once again and I am the Sales Alpha and I am your coach for the next 7 days or so. Thank you so much for joining us even tonight. I can see people are here. I can see Bubu, I can see Makagula, Kolio, I can see you, Lomatole, and Mr. Mamba, I can see you, sir. And Lu, I can see you, Melusi, I can see you. Mr. Mbendula, I can see you. D. Vlagat, I can see you. Faguz, I can see you. Ngos, I can see you too. Ngampalala, Siende, Lamin, Zwane, and Dolly. It's good to see you guys here. It's good to see you guys here. All right, let's get straight to business. Let's get straight to business. So namhlanje let us look at personal branding and business branding. So I'm going to be try and to be as fast as I can. So my notes are dated October 2. That is when I made this note. So today we're going to use this one's table of contents. Namhlanje senda introduction to personal branding. Why branding is important. The 7 pillars of personal branding. Discovering your unique brand identity. Building your personal brand. Okay. All right. There's a lot to cover. So let's fly. Let's fly. Let's fly. Who's this? Your mic is on, so let's keep our mic off and our videos off, ne? And then wena ngalapho uphethe paper uphethe nepen yakho, ne? So please make sure ukuthi uyabhala so that you don't come to my inbox and ask me something I've already said and something that is already kuma notes, ne? So okay, Otsi Love Lagati, hi mentor. It's like yesterday's presentation was not finished. Yeah, I hate most people saying that they felt like the presentation was cut off. No problem. If you feel like that, I will send another link that you can just take everything again. Eh? It is okay. I will sort you out on that. All right. Who's this, my friend over here? Tell me what's this Milan. Tell me what's this Milan. Your video is on, my friend. Please turn off your video. Tell me what's this Milan. Please turn off your video. But complain again. They would see you are disturbing them when the video is on. Okay. So let's look at personal branding. Now, a personal branding is the practice of marketing yourself and your career as a brand. So basically, personal branding ngilapho ushintsha khona from being yourself. My name is Sibongumezi Ntsingane, right? That is my name. But nasesikhuluma about branding, sesikhuluma about what I am doing, sesikhuluma about what it is what I'm doing, either as a career, noma as a practice, as a skill, or your business as a service. Yabona, angisabona we've got what? We have got Swazi Mobile, loyi, service provider. That's a brand, ne? The Sales Alpha, it is a brand for what? For sales and marketing coach. So banning bo coach bara marketing ne bara sales, but that is my brand. So wena brand yakho, it is your business name noma wena as an individual, because like I said ukuthi sometimes the business akusiko lo lokwendako, but it is you. So sometimes people are coming to your business because bathanza wena, betata uthenga nje, not because basazi product yakho, but simply because they fell in love with you. Yabona. So that is why personal branding is important. So personal branding, it is how it is about how people perceive you. Ukuthi bantu nababuka wena babona bani. Like when people just look at you, babona bani empeleni. Like who are you to them? You get me? Who are you to them? So personal branding would say, what are you known for? Kunebantu laba popular today because of what they are doing, because of how people know them. Ne? So what are you known for? The value that you provide. What is it that you provide as an individual wena? Let's go out there. Let's talk about your name. What comes to the minds of people nabacabanga wena? What comes to the minds of people when they uh hear your name? That is what we call branding. So branding akusiko leli gama per se, but it is what is really the name all about. You get what I'm saying? What is the name all about? So that is what personal branding is about. And the personal branding, before you can get to branding your business, is very, very important. Because like I said, ukuthi siyati ukuthi le business yakho, but siyakwati wena ukuthi uhlala chaos, ne? Siyakwati wena ukuthi reputation yakho is this and that. So personal branding, it goes beyond the scope yokuthi business yakho, it is about what. So moving on, it is what? It is your reputation in your industry. Kunebantu labane reputation lefana neyani, lefana ne-reputation yaka MTN. Kuthi siyati ukuthi amadatha akho enda njani, amadatha akho akalasti. Siyati ukuthi nasithenga amadatha eliviki alasta ilanga, la ilanga alasta hour, la hour alasta a few seconds. You get? I-reputation yabo nabo lesiphathe ngayo ukuthi hey, MTN unenkinga nemadatha. Uyabona? So what is it? The first word, the first thought lafika engqondweni yomuntu when they think about what? About your business, or when your business is mentioned out there. Yini efika komcondweni wabantu ukuthi lo muntu lona smart because of this. Okay, let's move. Then the unique positioning in the market. Abona i-market i-competitive. I-business is competitive. I-business is very, very, very competitive. So nangabe wena i-reputation yakho imakethe ithi ema-products akho akasiyi quality, noma wena uthatha timali tebantu and you never bring the product, or you don't deliver on time. Nawatiwa ukuthi wena uhlale uba nema-order incumbi, awukhoni ukukhetharisha ama-order akho. So that is what it is about, the unique positioning in the market. Like there are many other causes that you guys could have chosen. Would say, I'm going to do this cause, I'm going to do this cause. But having you to join this cause, it means there's something that you saw in my class. There's spark an interest in you. Yenda would know. I need to take out my money and join this class. So that is the unique positioning in the market. What are you really known for? When from you, or people get to do business with you. Now, the truth about personal branding is this: it is not about being fake or inauthentic, because kunebantu who market themselves as, like, for instance, when we started, I never called it this class a master class. Last year, April, I did not call this class a master class. Why? Because I was not I was not a master of sales and marketing, right? But it was just a business class in general. You get. So you don't need to be fake. Uze unyusel zinga because uzama ukuthola my clients. Unyusel zinga uthona you provide you provide high quality material, high quality what ganzi usafika into the business. So that is not personal branding. Kukhona ukuthi you are aspiring ukuthi to be this, but if you are not yet there, it's okay, my friend. Just work at your level and work at your pace. You get what I'm saying? And it is not about breaking, no matter showing off. Someone once commented on my video, Gucci, show us what business have you helped before, abasebenzela and stuff. And I did not actually react to the guy, because it's not like I don't have evidence of businesses that we have worked with and that we have helped through the class, or that we have helped through my one-on-ones. We have a track record there, but it was the way, the approach that the guy came to us asking. It is good ukuthi, okay, can you guys provide for us? These are the business that was dealing and what's from here to here. You get. So it is not about breaking or showing off. If I was showing off, I would be posting about, look, we just took this business from here. It is good for business. Like it's good, we show you good, the class works, the course is working, or what you are teaching works, but not in a what? In a breaking manner. They say it is not about having thousands of followers. If you check my what is it? What we call my Facebook page, I don't have even up to 200 followers on that page. Trust me. But it does not mean that I am not a brand. It does not mean that we are not living up to what we are marketing. So ungadeceive what inombolo, because tinombolo tingasho ukuthi we are your followers, but it does not mean that they are your customers. For instance, some of you here una 1,000 of my contacts right now, but uhlala uposta ama-products akho on your WhatsApp status. How many of your contacts have actually bought products from you? How many of your friends and family that have, or they already have your contact, they are in your contact list and they view your status, but akubendi ukuthi babe ngama-customer akho. You get what I'm saying? So having followers does not mean you have customers. Having followers does not mean that we have got what? We've got business. So it is not about having thousands of followers, because I can have just less than 200 followers, but trust me, my business is making more money than most of your businesses, right? And yet, if you check your Facebook page, you've got maybe 15,000 followers, but it doesn't mean that those are your customers. You get what I'm saying? So it is one thing with Bantu, they follow, they hit the follow button on your Facebook profile or on your TikTok account. But again, with my custom, they can just be interested in what you are doing, but it does not mean that they are your real clients. For instance, in our waiting list, we've got over 800 people, right? But how many of you guys are here tonight? So Agwendi would see, since the page has got 800 followers, everyone in there is interested in the class. No, trust me, numbers can lie. So being a brand, it is not having thousands of followers. It is not being up. It's not about being famous. I'm not famous. Trust me. I am one of the least famous people that you guys have ever met. Like you see my Facebook page, maybe I've got 5.7 followers over there. But trust me, I'm not famous. There are more people who are more famous than me out here in this country. Even some of you, we have got a lot of people that know you. So it is not about what? It is not about being famous. And it is not pretending to be someone that I'm not. If you meet me in person, this is me. If you meet me in the class, this is who I am. If we talk about business, this is my life. If we talk about business, sales, and marketing, that is just who I am entirely. You get what I'm saying? That is just who I am. So you don't have to pretend when you are a master class, a graphic designer master, and then you take people into class. Now you get what I'm saying? So whatever I am teaching, it is because I know what I'm teaching. Now, what is it all about? A personal branding is this here. It is showcasing your expertise. Kuthi wena mbambamba yini that you are skilled at. Wena yini mbambamba that people can come to you and say siyathi ukuthi nasishayele ezibani it is sorted. Kunebantu who are known ukuthi imoto yakho wayimikisa namakhenika nawo no matter what itawuphila. That is reputation. That is the person's expertise ukuthi I iToyota iyamhlula but mnike BM. The guy knows how to deal with what? With a BMW. That is your area of expertise. You build a credibility and a trust. You are standing out in your field. You get? So akwathiwe ukuthi nakhulunywa nge-laundry business in the country, kwathiwe ukuthi no, this guy is very good in it. Some of you want to be digital marketers. Being a digital marketer, most of the time you are behind the screen. 90% of your day you are behind the screen because you are a digital marketer. And if ufuna to manage my page bantu, you are going to work. You are going to work. I always tell people, because if you are joining the class, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Aspechilana. Because if you want quick money, hamba ka ibet ufake 20 rand wakho ubhejele ibhola ne or play aeroplane aviator. Not business. When it comes to business, it is not a get rich quick scheme. That is not how business works. I am here today, and if I tell you what I failed in more than 5 businesses in my past years, what will you say? And I've lost a lot of money. It's just picking up. We have lost a lot of money. So in business, ubomeka sure ukuthi good a failed business that you do not pick would say, how did I really fail here? Sometimes you have failed in business not because a business idea yakho bengasiko right, but it was marketing. Sometimes akusikho ukuthi business idea yakho was not okay. Tikwelete. Most of the time ukhanza ukuthi bantu laba close to you bangani bantu basesonveni your peers family bathatha ngesikweleti ukuthi hayi mzala month end ngiyabhadala mzala no matter what. Trust me, most of the time family, friends, church people, they don't pay. And this listening, they feel like they're entitled in your business. What they've got to say, if business has a no, my friend, business has no friends. Business has no friends. So nangabe bosoluthathisa info takho ngesikwelede, stop it from today. It will frustrate your life and it will frustrate your business, and you are going to shut down very, very soon. You won't survive in business if you keep on giving out it won't work, my friend. So you need to create some opportunities, ube authentic and ube consistent. This is edition 15 of our class. This means that for the past 12 months, we've been able to give out 15 successful classes. Every month there is a class for it. Every month, sometimes we send that 2 times a month. No, it is draining. It is killing me. I'm dying here. I'm killing myself. So we said from now, it is just only 1 class per month. You see what I'm saying? So that is being authentic and consistent. I would see next week social njile wena so thengisa titi so othengisa kucathula. Next week no social njile wena so decide ukuhamba kuyojoyina Forever Living. Next week so a table charm. Be consistent. Why? Inconsistency ihambelana ne-trust and credibility because bantu bayati. Not ukuthi every time umuntu akushayela out of stock. You know, when I was growing up in Sebendestolo Ekaya, my father used to be very, very angry. Nangena customer lithi lifuna into, uthi wena as the shopkeeper kude. Bekasitshela ukuthi asimthengisi kude lakhaya. Etitolo takithi asimthengisi kude. Why? So that the customer linga hesitate ukuthi nalicabanga kuya business yakho lithi eish lona uvame ekhala ngesitoko. It is killing your business. So awuthathi break ebhizinisini. Awuthathi break ukuthi I know, let me just take this next 2 weeks. I'm going to see. No. When a customer calls, let the customer be there. You get what I'm saying? Let's move. Chapter 2. Why a personal branding matters. Now, the business impact. People buy from people, not companies, as I was explaining earlier. And then esikhathi listening vele abantu bakuthenga because they trust you, ne? So it is very, very important ukuthi bantu bakuthembe before they can talk about doing business with you. Now let's look at the benefits of strong personal branding. Kuba nema-career opportunities. For instance, I have been called by many companies now. Labafuna ukuthi sibatrainele their staff on sales and marketing. Labafuna sibatrainele their members, their clients on a lot of fields. That is what you create opportunities for yourself. Ukuthi kuyathiwa ukuthi no, now ukhuluma nje about how to do forever living. Hamba kunamuntu now. Like you have built a career opportunity. So a career opportunity akusinje ukuthi uthole umsebenzi kuphela. Akusi ukuthi uhambe uyocashwa. Sometimes I always encourage my students ukuthi if you go to a company and you apply and they don't take you, come back as a client. Come back and be talking about business. Ungasakhuluma about getting a job. Let's talk about tenders now. Yabona, le language change. It changes the whole thing. Nyalo sengifuna kuba i-supplier, nyalo sengifuna kuba i-what? I-affiliate, noma sengifuna kuba i-client of the business. Leng apply khona bala because I was looking for what? For a job. Ne? So you build yourself, uthole ne-salary learning, clients, bayeta, uhambe uyokhuluma nema-events, ima-media features, nema-partnership opportunities. Tonke lento lethu utaka why? Because of personal branding. Right now in the country, I'm trying to build a name for myself. Kancane. This is exactly 1 year of doing this thing, and it is working. We are getting phone calls from big companies. Mr. Nzingane, can you come and speak to our people about what you guys are doing? We love what you're doing. You see now, I spent years trying to apply to many companies, and that was hurting me, kwangishaya in life. But I decided to just change the narrative. If you decide tonight, you know what, from today, I'm coming as someone ofuna umsebenzi. I'm coming as someone who's a client, as an affiliate, I'm here to talk about business with the managers. You get what I'm saying? Then kuba ne business growth. As a brand ikhula, iyakhula ne business, because if people trust you, then you are getting what? More clients. The more people trust you, the more people get to be doing business with you. So there's business growth. Bese sekuba ne personal development. As more as I am doing this course, as I'm teaching people about business every month like this, I'm finding myself. I am also on a journey of self-discovery. As a business person, very, very importantly aspect here would say, find yourself, Pale. Find yourself. Tithole ukuthi, like I said, ukuthi kunebantu laba masotsha lokufuna ngabe bayini bangamanesi, lalaba ngamanesi kufuneka babe yini babe ngemasotsha. That is why esibhedlela bonesi bathe sithi igulane because kunemaphoyisa lawa. On the streets, but they are doing nursing because we no opportunity ka nursing. So ungabi like that. Good business. The business that frustrate kusasa. I made an example on Monday. We see if Gemini ngiyovula salon, ngathini Nkosi yami ngetinwele mina. It is not my thing. Maybe when passion yakho yini kupheka, so why don't you, instead of applying ukuthi ufuna bakuchashe lapha e-restaurant, ufuna bakuchashe lapha ehotela, how about if you start your own catering business? Utawuthi nomunye ngiyita imali. My friend, who said you need money to start? You need clients to start. It is not always about money. Uyathi ukuthi kunethenda longayithola namuhla lengadzingi ukuthi wena ube nemali. They tell you ukuthi we provide everything, but nje sidinga umuntu who's going to cook at the event. Singa nje umuntu lotopheka kule event, sinawo amabhodo, sinalo olukhishwe, we've got everything, but nje sidinga umuntu one-expertise. Come, present yourself as an expert. Shintsha le approach, and then you will see how things are going to change your way. So, uba clarity on your goals, increased confidence, expanded network, recognition in your field, legacy building. 1 year ago, no one knew about Bongmen Sinzingan. 1 year ago, no one knew about the sales alpha. 1 year ago, never knew that I knew something about business. But this is 12 months later, and look at where we are now. We have trained over 500 students in this class, and we've got more than 200 businesses launched online and offline. We have a track record in what we are doing. That is 12 months later. But when we were starting, I never had confidence. Trust me, I never had confidence. People signed up with more than 50 students on our first class, and I was like, hey, but this guy made us pay our 200 rands, and then we're available as a I was scared. 1 year later, the story has changed. You can change your story now. Wherever you are in your field, you can change your story. You get what I'm saying? You have the potential to change. Trust me, I know. There is still a chance in the market. There is still a certain market. There are people, trust me, there are people who are waiting for you. People who are waiting for you, Fagutse. There are people waiting for you, Vlagat. There are people who are just waiting for your voice to speak. There are people who are waiting for you to launch the vision that you have. They are just waiting it for you to pitch it into their ears. I have got so much belief in you guys have got potential, because I believe at all times who comes to my cause or associates themselves with me who is a good for nothing. No, there is no way. There is no way you can be part of this class over nothing, because I trust this thing and I believe in it. And moreover, I believe in you. I believe the potential. I know you can do it. I know you can change that entire business, that vision. We can bring it to manifestation in this month. It is not about money, my friend. Time goes. It's not about money. It's not about money, my friend. We can make it work, man. Well, we can make it work. That idea that you have today, we can make it work. Someone out there is your potential customer. And tell them you are now starting a catering business. Some people are back until you come with something different. How about if a business? It changes everything. It changes everything. I believe in you guys. Trust me. I believe in you all. I believe in you. You can make it work. Tolan, you can make it work. We can make it work, man. So it is just all about changing our mindset. It's about changing how we view ourselves. You are not inferior just because it does not make me a less of a person than someone just because someone went to Cambridge and I went to Leongo campus, it does not mean I am less of a human being. There is potential in you. Either you are 20 years old today, either you are 36, you are 46, it doesn't matter. There is still a potential with even a personal development. I hope I'm preaching the gospel of business tonight. I hope I am preaching the gospel of business tonight. Are you guys with me? Are we still together? Are we still together? Are we still together? Wonderful. I can see people are alive. Whew. This is what I've been called to do. I've been called to preach the gospel of business to the whole nations. So now let's look at branding at a local perspective. So why is personal branding important, Gangwan? Why? It is because Gangwan is bancane. You understand ukuthi ngente ukuthi nangithi nje, for instance, let me talk about, excuse me, a local brand, Chumbo Kumalo. Immediately I say Chumbo Kumalo, there are people who know him. So Swaziland is too small. So whatever you do in your business, whatever you do in your area of expertise, it is going to definitely affect you because siyatana. Imagine ukuthi I want to do what? I want to go and wash my clothes laundry. Ngiyafika eMbabane bangitshele ukuthi noma ke loya. The one lengithi ngiyakuye, someone else says hayi ungayi lapha. Mina ngami kusaniphahla tami kwenteka in. You see, you have already lost a customer. So reputation, it travels fast. Yes. Once you mess up, a lot of people will know. Once you do good, a lot of people will know. Swaziland is too small. Bese kangwane kunema limited job opportunities. But yeah, there is so much potential ngala entrepreneurship. Ngilokuthi nje inkumbi yethu asikaphunziseki kakhulu about how do you start and scale your own business. Now, let's talk about digital presence. I-digital presence ivula ema-international markets. Do you understand ukuthi I've been approached by other people from other countries ukuthi we have an online course on this, can you please be part of the course to speak about what? About sales and marketing, about digital skills. You get what I'm saying? So uba ne-international recognition. Ungathi kucabangi nje ukuthi no, I'm just a local giant. No, my friend. We are talking about international giants here. If you are in this class, then you are an international giant in the making. Trust me, you are. So you stand out from the competition, and then you build trust in tight-knit communities. Whew. Okay, I said I'm going to be very fast today and try to finish the class early. But seems like I'm failing. All right, chapter 3, the 7 pillars of personal branding. Now, just be yourself, ne? Ube authentic, like I said. Ube authentic. Ungasitsheli ukuthi wena i-makeup kanti wena i-mess up. Ungasitsheli ukuthi wena i-makeup kanti you are making down people, you are messing up their faces. Nine ngcolekabi sometimes. So be yourself, share your real story. Like if you go to my bio, if you go to my post on Facebook, I'm telling my own story. I'm telling my own story. As for me, I never got an opportunity after in MVAS. After spending 5 years at the university, I never got a job. It is my story. I am me. It is my own. And then my personality, this is me, online and offline. If you meet me on the streets, last week I met a lot of my past students. I don't even recognize them. It was easy for them to recognize me. Why? Because learning for the center what's in the labanye guti. One thing good the center was some of us is this. So if you look at this, so this is me. This is me in real life. This is my face. This is me in real life. So labanye ke lapha kwendawo ukuthi after sesifunze nga-AI, people tend to change themselves. Bata-ke babe ngilenye info le very, I don't know what to say. Naso dibana naye in person. Have you ever gone for a blind date? Ubone isithombe semuntu ka-Facebook. Naso dibana naye in real life. Yeah. Ukhumbule ukuthi angathi ngishiye ekhaya ngingakavala ifridge, ngicela kube ngikushayele ngisaya ekhaya ngizovala ifridge. You think of every excuse you can come up with because lo muntu lo boxoxa naye ka-Facebook day and night akusasilo lambi kwakho. So some of you guys are like that. You market yourself as a big guy, and then we meet you in person. Hey, my God. Yeah, yeah, vele lishone emini, ilanga livele licwile emini. Eish. Abona le ndlela lahleka ngayo Petros Dlamini, it's like this has happened to him. So blind dates ente kanjalo uthi lo muntu osolucoca naye Facebook vele you guys are in love and then the day you meet them, yeah, uthi nguwe, athi ya, nguwe mbaba, athi yes, yeah, usuke senguye mbaba. So Charles, please try to be what? Try to be authentic, be yourself, be genuine, ne? Just be yourself. There is this thing you would see you can copy others. When it comes to copying others, it's like you have to be strategic. You have to be strategic now. See, you are copying others because it is not everything lendiwa ngim longayenda. It is not everything lendiwa ngilaflakati lengendiwa ngim. So kukhona lapho you guys are better than me khona, and it doesn't mean ukuthi you being my student now maybe I am better than you. No, it doesn't mean that, because I have learned in this walk of life ukuthi people we are blessed differently, ne? We are operating in different graces sonke. So ngenteka ukuthi you guys are way better than me, but you just needed what? You just needed this class to improve a certain portion of your life. Otherwise, you are way better than myself. So you can copy strategically. I would say bese sofuna kwenda exactly as what he's doing. You get what I'm saying? Ne? So your uniqueness is what? Is your strength. Then instead of I'm the best digital marketer, try I have failed 3 businesses before finding what works. Here's what I learned. Uyasibona story sami ukuthi ngithini? I have failed where? In more than 5 businesses already. So if I'm coming to tell you something, I'm telling you from experience. Angisho ukuthi I am the best digital marketer. I can say it to myself, Guti, I am the best digital marketer in the country, in the world. I'm saying it to myself. Why? I'm building my mindset. But nothing time when is I'm the best digital marketer. You might be even offended. Usa, this guy is breaking. Usa, I know this guy and stuff. You get what I'm saying? Hmm? So I don't know if this is a question from. I saw someone raising up their hand. So if you raise your hand, it means you want to ask a question. All right. Then expertise. Position yourself as a trusted authority. Partly, because if people don't trust you, they won't do business with you, they won't buy your product. So always make sure we see in your field, you position yourself as a trusted authority. Then you have to build expertise. Build expertise. Certain no ugrandi la. Base consistency, as we've already talked about it, show up regularly and be reliable. Sathi ukuthi nasifuna emateki sishayela wena, nasifuna timpahla sishayela zibani, nasifuna makhenika now. Be what? Be reliable, ube consistent. Sathi ukuthi this is gotten kubani. Imagine calling me 5 years from now. Hey, Mr. Nzingane, I was your student in 2026. Can you please come to our business and train our people? And I say, I'm no longer training business people. Imagine. So some of them opportunities like lahlekelayo is because you are not consistent. Ne? Then consistency formula it's in consistency formula. It's in there. It's a post at least once a day, minimum, same time each day, maybe similar content teams, a consistent tone and style, them regular engagements. Ne? Bese sekuba ne-visibility, be seen where your audience is. If you're an entrepreneur, tholakala lo kunema-entrepreneurs khona. If you are a marketer, tholakala lo kunema-marketer khona. Be part of your group. Inkinga yethu, we want to fit in where we are not in. We want to fit in the wrong places. Some of you, you are a business person, but lokhulunywa ngebusiness khona awukho. Where they are entrepreneurs, you are not there. Business expos awukho khona. Basically, where are you living in? Be found where your people are. Ne? On Friday, we're having a presentation somewhere. On Saturday, we're supposed to have a presentation somewhere also. We are talking about business. So I am found where business people are. But nakhona ube strategic phela, because akhona business seminars that are just family gatherings. You'll hear me if you hear me. Let's move. Then, value, always give before you ask. Ne? Always give before you ask. I told you, if you are doing business, business is all about what? Solving problems. Angeke uve in business if there is no problem that you are solving. Your business should be solving at least 1 or 2 problems. So for you to make more money, solve more problems. If you want to get rich, solve rich people's problems. That's what I always tell my students. If you want to get rich, solve rich people's problems. You get? Let's move. Then, value content ideas. Share tips, tricks, how-to guides, free templates, industry insight. Sometimes if you check my page on Facebook, I'm not that scarce listening. The things we are doing, there are a lot. So I can't handle everything at the same time. So one way or the other, if I'm focusing on one business part, lelenye is lacking. If I have to be posting things online, scarce listening, I have to live in my business lesson what physical. So when I'm doing the physical ones, yeah, suffering online. So as maybe for yourself, maybe you've got a break, you've got a lunch, at least be posting something. This is what we are selling on. This is provide insights. Like now, you are a nutritionist, maybe when the FSNT, no consumer science, or when the catering, we are sure how to do what, how to cook pap, usinike inanjaneni, usinike recipe. Do you understand who don't know how to do what you are an expert in? So you can just be providing those things for free online. Then people will know I lost what it pay. You are just showing yourself as what? As an expert. You are providing value. Then differentiation. Yini kwenda ukuthi ube mcuka wena from all the other people who are doing the same business with you. So it is important ukuthi ube different. What makes you different? What makes you unique? Wena kule niche lokiwe. You get what I'm saying? Your background, your expertise, and then your unique position. Yini wena lokwenda, why should people buy from you? Yini lenda i-restaurant yakho ihluke, yini lokwenda i-laundry business yakho ihluke, yini lokwenda ama-services akho. Always have something unique lengendiwa ngema-competitors akho. Always have that thing. If you come to my class, the class lam is different. Trust me. If you join another online course, you will know that that guy's class is different. I make sure of that. My class is different. My class is unique. So have that one thing in the business you're going to be unique. Then people are going to stay with you. Then a connection. Build genuine relationships. The way I interact with most of you, it's like siatana. It's like maybe we are friends, we are peers. I respect some of you, but so much. In as much as you guys don't know, but most of you are older than me. A lot. Like when I say a lot, I mean a lot. I'm a very young man. Trust me. Don't look at the big stomach. Don't look at the big stomach. That's my wife's doing. Yes, that's just my wife's doing. I'm very young, my friend. Trust me. So don't be fooled by the big belly and think, this guy is old. Hey, get married, you will see. They didn't know. Marriage is a scam, my friends. I'm telling you, marriage is a scam. They never told us that you get married, you get a big stomach for free. We never knew that part. You will see as you go in life. Let's move. Let's move. So, so, so build a connection with your people, with your audience, with your customers. Learn for lena ifunze kuman emandiyen. Why do you think everyone Indian is my friend? Akusi ukuthi bachazwa, I would say that's the only English they know, because maybe lo munye uthi hayi singisi labasatiko. No, my friend is not just my friend. My friend is what is the connection. Lo muntu ubuilda a relationship nawe so that uve as if I uyangithanda. No, trust me, it doesn't care about you, but because kuze umuntu athenge kufuneka kube nale connection, kufuneka kube nale connection ukuthi okay, me and you are my friend, so ngikunika i-discount nje my friend because I love you, and you understand ukuthi isebenza kanjani le theory le. Let me just break this thing down for you. Nabe info, if icingo ling-2000 and you go to the Indian shop and it says, hey my friend, you want a phone, and then you point the phone lolifunayo, utawuthini? Utawuthi 2.5. Uyati ukuthi iprice yaleli cingo ngu-2000 bambamba, but utawucala ku-2.5 leni uyati ukuthi noma ungayaphi black people want discount. Hey, you guys, you and discount. You and discount. They know wherever it is, black people bafuna discount. So leli cingo la 2000 vele utawucala athi ling 2.5, uthona eish my friend, eish I've got 2.3, athi okay at least 2.4, uthona hayi 2.350. Uyati ukuthi the real price is very very low, so bacala etulu going down, and wena uve like hey lo my friend uyangithanda, ungithengisele ngamalini, ungithengisele nga 2.350 le buka ungiphulele 150. No, you are the fool here. So that is how business works. Create the connection between wena and your audience, wena and your customers. Ubabite, there is this lady, Irana Yase Maputo. She calls people bomzala egroupini yakhe. Bomzala, everyone kuye ngumzala. It is a strategy. It is a strategy naye ukuthi bomzala. So we have to create a relationship with my customer akho. That is just what we are saying. Then, before I forget, if umuntu athenge kuwe phela, ungabehave uthi lento was just a once off thing, ukuthi wathenga wahamba and gone. Sometimes I take time, I text you guys. Do you understand ukuthi I really don't know you guys? Like I'm serious, I don't know you guys. But nangithi mina Mr. Nxumalo, I'm saying Mr. Nxumalo because your name is written here, Bheki Nxumalo. Not because I know you, but uyathi ukuthi umuntu na umbita ngesibongo noma ngeligama, they feel like you know them. So I have saved all your numbers on my phone. Which noma ungangishayela 2 years from now, there is inombolo yakho and in a code yekuthi li class lanini, lo muntu lona was on which class. Kunema codes lengiseva ngawo inombolo tenonke. So that next time you call me, I say, hey Mfombeni, how are you? Not because I know Mfombeni, but the time ngithi Mfombeni, it means, oh, lo muntu uyangadi. So it is, you have le bond, it works different. Trust me, I don't know, I've never met a lot of you. In fact, I've never met all of you in life. I've never. But when you call me tomorrow, trust me, I'm going to call you by name. Why? I'm building something. Ube strategic in everything that you are doing. And ungambukele lo munye umuntu phasi ukuthi namhlanje lo muntu useklasini lami, so he wants to learn about business. Like I said, some of you are way greater than me, because after this class kutawuchamuka malume wakho na 100,000 i-capital lengazange singiyitfole mina. I've never had capital to start any business. I've started all my businesses from scratch. So labanye benu ninelibhadi ukuthi there are people who are willing to help you out there ukuthi I'm going to fund your business nang 10k uhamba uqale business. It has not worked for some of us, but ungangibukeli past today. You get what I'm saying? So ungangibukeli past, ungangithatheli past. All right. Okay. Are we still together? Are we still together so that we continue? Are we still together? Nansi khona labalele la. Nansi khona labalele la. Angimthembi Thobani ukuthi usavukile. Thobani, Leto, are you there, my friend? Don't trust you now. Sethu, are you alive? Are you alive, Sethu? I've been watching you. Ngasi uyedela lapha. All right, let's move. So, the personal brand discovery framework. All right, I can see you, Sethu. So, kwekuqala i-self-assessment. Like I said, ukuthi ungakhethi ibhizinisi letakufrustrate. Ibhizinisi yami iqala after I quit my 2000 emalangeni salary job. Oh, ngake ngasebenza by the way, somewhere before after I got married, I quit a month after getting married. I quit my job. Imagine. So le business lengacala ngayo beyingifrustrator because bengingadi kahle kahle ngayo and it was not my thing. And ngayifoster umnyaka wonke ngingakhi ngisho zero emalangeni. But because I was forcing, so funeka ukuthi ithole ukuthi wena mbamamba when the self-assessment utibute nama-question now before you start any business. Uthini? Skill and expertise. Yini lokhona kuyena mbamamba wena? Yini bantu labavame ukubuta ngayo? You know, sometimes siyawa neglecta ema-gifts uNkulunkulu asiphe wona. Like kunebantu who can just talk natural, like they can just talk. And lo mphakathi ukuthi maybe ubitelwe kuba ngummeli noma ubitelwe kuba ngu-MC. Kuthi wena uyakwati ukukhuluma, then why ungacali ama-duties ekuba ngu-MC? Ucale ngemshado simangele lo lapha kamakhelwane, uyabona? Uthi emshadweni wasimangele uthi ngicela kuba ngu-MC wakho, then kushada i-ex yakho lapha uhamba ucele kuba ngu-MC. Why? Utitfolile ukuthi hayi man ukukhuluma ngiyakwati man. It comes in natural. So kunema-gifts lesinawo la natural, but uNkulunkulu bekathi this thing is going to create opportunities for yourself. Kunebantu la survive i-trauma, la survive i-abuse. There are people here who have survived molestation, la survive kuba bete batali, and then you can just start a movement. You can start a movement yokuthi how to survive abuse, how to survive kuba bete batali and make it, how to survive depression. Ngiya-understand ukuthi you're depressed before, but nyalo sophumile kunemuntu lokule nkinga lobo kuyo wena itolo, who is willing to pay for you to tell them, to teach them ukuthi uphume njani wena. You get what I'm saying? So find yourself. Sometimes siyadidelaya solo sifuna si-apply lo msebenzi kanti the thing that you can do naturally, it is what should open doors for you. Do you know ukuthi I did not learn business anyway? Okay, I just want to be honest with you. I didn't learn this thing that I'm teaching you anyway. I did not go to university for this. I am an agriculture expert. Ngafundzela eLuyengo University of Eswatini, Luyengo campus, ngende i-Bachelor of Science in Horticulture. I'm an agriculturist, my friend. I'm teaching you business and it comes in naturally for me. So I am just showing you evidence. Le concrete, you are here, you paid to be in my class. My friend, I didn't learn this thing anyway. Business for me is natural. I found myself good time, man. I know how to teach about business. Wake me up at night, I will tell you about business. You get what I'm saying? So asotithole ukuthi yini mbambambalo longayenda wena naturally without uziyofuna capital. Uzuhamba uyofrustrate abatali bakho ukuthi ukuthi imisebenzi kangwane. Are you sure ukuthi ukuthi gift uNkulunkulu la kupha yona? Self-examine yourself, ne? Uthi check ama-passions akho nema-interest. Ucheck ukuthi yini ama-topics la exciter. Uyathi ukuthi kunemuntu la in this group right now. You are so talented when it comes to giving advice about relationships. uyadada nje ukuthi no wonke umuntu lo bangani bakho bonke bayadi ukuthi nabanenkinga emjolweni wabo beta kuwe, they come to you. And I will realize ukuthi hayi man, I am good with ngalo mzuzu ude ne girlfriend noma ude na boyfriend, but you are so good with giving advice on the field. Why don't you start a WhatsApp group and say, I'm going to be teaching on Tuesday? You know, I've done this online thing for a long time. For a very long time, for years. I've been doing classes online for free. I didn't know what this thing could open financial doors for me. I was just doing online classes for a very long time. High school. I had my Nokia 201. Beng typing ayo in that group. I remember very well. Ni typing lu setting home. Oh, you guys don't understand. But it took me years to realize myself. I think uNkulunkulu sometimes is just merciful for us. Beng lu setting home le edlangeni lethi nsabeni le, and I would be typing on my phone for free. Imagine if I started this thing back then, paying. Nyalo ngabe ngibhatalisa 2.5, you guys wouldn't even afford to be part of the class anymore. But again, self-discovery. So please, let's discover ourselves. Utati uthi hayi man, ngigrandi la. Let me turn this thing, let me turn my passion, let me turn my beliefs, let me turn my values. Because kunebantu who believe ukuthi bantu labasikati needs to be hands-on in business. And then lo muntu uqali movement on to empowering the girl child, empowering bomali. Some of you are very close sort of penshelo right now. Noma so vele upenshelo. Kunebantu labapenshelo who just want something to do. And when we are the key, and they are willing to pay for it, but what when I would sing the band like batala, lele what you can teach them. Labonsanga yako len penshelo nabo. They have money to pay you. Don't be broke. Don't be broke after this class. Trust me, we have launched many online mentorship things, and we had with some students a price yabo for a week because it is double my own. Hey, these people, hey guys, these people, my students do. Hey, you guys don't know. You guys don't know what you are capable of. You guys don't know what you're capable of. I'm telling you. My students make people pay serious money. Serious money. I'm just going to show you one thing. Uthi bantu nabaphuma la, baphuma bayocala ema-course la bhatalisa 5 times my own. I mean 5 times my own. I'm going to show you. But let's not waste time. I'll just send it on the group, ne? Yeah, let's not waste time. Let's finish here first. Then, target audience definition. So, target audience, I would say, business yonke, it has to have what? A target audience. Le product yako, uyendela bobani. Who age range funeka be defined ukuthi kwebantfana, kwebantu labadzala, kwe-middle class, yabona. Lento leyo has to be well distinguished so that ungato deviate uphume endleleni. It helps to keep your brain focused. Ngiko eSouth Africa la kaNgwane kunephephu nje kuphela. ESouth Africa kunephephu home. Ule phephu leyo ithengisa tinto tasendlini. Kunephephu store. IPep store ithengisa timpahla. Kunephephu cell. IPep cell ithengisa tincingo. Kunema different peps. Ngiyathi kusi la kaNgwane ekhaya kini iphephu nje yinye nje, iphephu yinye nje ngiyo nje. But to be strategically positioned, asinike seyiphephu cell ithengisa tincingo kuphela ke le department le. Not a department, a whole shop yetincingo nje iphephu for that only. So i-location bantu uthengisela bobani wena, bantu labasemakhaya, bantu labasemadolobheni. I-industry ne-profession uthengisela abantu labafundzile, bantu labangakafunzi. You see those things. income level. Like I told you, if you want to be rich, solve rich people's problems. Ne? So then ema pain points lo ukuthi yini imbamba le ninganiki bantu ukuthula, because I said business is about what? Solving problems, angithi. So if you are solving problems, if you have to firstly find the pain point ukuthi bambamba yini le nika bantu bakuphi kuphi inkinga, so that you come in as what? As the solution now. Yabona? Then ema goals and aspirations thina nje lana senda in. This is business masterclass. So ukuthi bantu labafuna kwenta amabhizinisi laba la. Say strategic. If ngiyenda le class leli ngithi 100 rand, do you understand ukuthi we can have 1,000 people here? We can have 1,000 people. Why? It is affordable, and at the same time, if kunebantu labanengi ungakhanza ukuthi you are attracting the wrong people. People are not interested in what you are doing, but because it is affordable, then they join. Ba frustrate impilo yakho. People frustrate. I'm telling you, people frustrate your goals. Uyi-structure kahle into yakho ibe yinhle, ulethe nje le-customer le-wrong lekubangela nje umsindo. So the higher the price, the less noise the product makes. The higher the price, the less noise the product makes. I-Toyota ithengwa wonke umuntu, but i-Ferrari ithengwa idlanzana lebantu, but aba-negotiate i-price labantu labo. The reason why wena bahlale ba-negotiate i-price now is because uthengisela abantu labeda imali vele. So if I choose to say this course is only 1.5, uyathi ukuthi ungaphuma estressini isikhathi lesiningi. Why? Because lo mfu 1.5 is here for serious business. Is here for serious business. So ngalesinye isikhathi, to make more money, you just need to raise the price. And to be stress-free, you raise the price, only serious people are going to approach you. Trust me, nangenyusa le price le ngithi 2,000 for my class, for your mentorship, for your one-on-one, I can be in peace, because nyalo in 300, the things I see on the inbox, you read the message and you'll be like, and then, you know, after such a powerful class like this, imagine, after such a powerful class like this, I am happy. Yeah, I went all in, and my wife is telling me, oh, yeah, my husband, you're on fire. What a class. Then it comes someone to write me a message and tell me, my brother, there are things that you are not doing well in the class. I think you need to change this. My friend, go and start your own course now. Hey, why don't you start your own class and be doing it? Listen, kunebantu, no matter how perfect you are, no matter how perfect you are, they will always come to frustrate your life. Athi usho ukuthi uthole girlfriend lo right, ayitele nje abe ligunvane. Uyalathi ligunvane? Ligunvane lingena endlini livula i-rice lingayiqedi, livula impuphu lingayiqedi, liyovula ama-biscuits. There are people who are rats. Who I'm serious. There are people who are rats. There are customers, there are clients who are rats. They just come to mess your business up. Uthi usho ukuthi umgcine kahle lo sisi, ugcine nice inhloko, usho and confident ukuthi yeah, ngimshayile. Azi ish lelikona le nje sisi bekufuneka yo. So kunema clients lanjalo. In business, you will meet them. There is no way to avoid they are there, but they are there to frustrate your life. Hey, they are there to frustrate your life, man. So imagine I am happy, and then someone comes to my inbox and be my coach, to coach me about my class. My friend, can't you start your own preschool somewhere, maybe, and teach some and teach start your own preschool somewhere and teach some children? Then you will know how frustrating it is to teach now. What's it? Uthi, uthi ke nana ke, customer is always right. All right, let me just emphasize on this. The customer is always right, but not always correct. Oh my God, I said it. The customer is always right, but not always correct. You are seeing the statement, Sam. Think about this very well. Right yena, but akekho correct. Right ngekuthi la kushoko naye uvumelekile ukuthi acabange imicabango yakhe. Naye uvumelekile ukuthi afile ngendlela afila ngayo. Naye uvumelekile kuba ne-personal opinion, but akusho ukuthi le personal opinion yakhe it is correct. It is not. One time in another class, maybe November, this lady came and she wrote a very long message. Wasi, your class, it is not good. I think I wasted my time and I paid for this thing. It didn't help me anyway. It was a waste of time. You should have done it like this, like that, like that. I was like, my friend, give me your account number. Let me send back your money. Because kunebantu who feel like they just because you paid for the class, now they're entitled to your business just because they're your customers. They are right, but they're not correct. They are right, but they're not always correct. You are the visionary in your business. Trust me. Yeah, call a business layer. It is okay. Good to ube correctable. Good to like ube advisable. Good to, I think maybe if you can add this, Yabon. It is okay. We love it. Ukuthi you guys give because ekugcineni nje ngidacela ukuthi you fill up a form. Lenta usho ukuthi how was your experience during the class session? And then le form lelo li anonymous kusho ukuthi I want to know who wrote the message. So ungasho noma wayilofuna ngisho ukuthi wena mnethu why udlale ngempilo yethu kanje? Wena udlala ngathi you are free to say that, ne? Because phela ama-expectations abantu ahlukene. Lo munye maybe beyacabanga ukuthi sitawu-investa timali lana siholisane month end. Maybe naye bekacabanga njalo kuthi sitofaka timali bese sesiyasherisha. Maybe naye bekumcabango wakhe. So now the class is over and the person is not satisfied. Bekuma expectations akhe. That is why whenever we start the course kuba nani kuba ne-form lolifilako so that I know what are your expectations from the class. Sitoba on the same what? On the same picture. This guy talks. Yay. Lo bhuti uyakhuluma lo. All right, forgive the black man now. Step number 3, competitive analysis. Study 5 people who are in your field. Bantu labasembili nawe. In the same niche. Nabo ufuna ukuyothengisa tinkukhu. Hamba uye if you're a customer or someone who's just interested. Ungamtsheli ukuthi ufuna kuqala le business because some of them banemona. Once you tell me ukuthi nami I want to start a sales class. So how do you start it? Do you know what I advise a lot of people to start their own classes? I know what I have got my own people. Naye unebantu bakhe uyathi ukuthi kunebantu labangeva better nabafundiswa nguwe than me. Kunebantu labeva even esikolweni. Thishela zibani kunebantu labeva thishela zibani ka angcono kunalomunye uva thishela zibani kangcono. We are different. So nangabe nje mina ngitawuthi no one should start another class. Umfuna iclass, let them come to mine. My friend, that is not the way we work. That is not how I am. I am all about seeing you start your own thing and helping you achieve your goal. Like I tell you, Guti, most of my students, they make more money than me in their own classes per month. If we look at the revenue from classes, they make more money than me. But I wish and now I will give up in my own course. I will continue with my small amount. It is okay. I know I'm making impact here. I know what's nebantu lana labatoba great people tomorrow and they will take me. I know you guys will buy me cars to take me for this class. I know. I trust you. Petros, you when I born away. When you thank me moto na nyati. Yeah. So in business, it's just all about what making impact. So study 5 people who are doing the same thing, generally, and then you go about doing them. Let's move. Then, brand positioning, it's in everyone kufuneke abe naso le statement. The statement lesingicela ukuthi usibhale phasi, umake sure ukuthi ku-diary yakho unaso, because lisi-stuck sita leni. Le nto lena ikwenta wati ukuthi wendani in business, ikwenta wati nekuthi stay in line, stay on course. Kanjani? Abona nasithi I help ufake target audience la, achieve ufake desired outcome la, through ufaka your unique method here, so they can dash. Yabona, for instance, I help business students, I help Swazi students launch profitable side hustles through digital skills training so they can achieve financial independence. That is me, right? I can also say what? I help busy professionals build personal brands here for 15 minutes daily. So as a brand, always have this statement ukuthi mbambamba nendani nini futhi niyaphi futhi nifika njani khona, and labantu itsini i-method yenu le unique. So you are going to copy all this. You can just keep these examples wasebenzise for your own business. I will send them in the group. I will give you guys in the group. Bese sekuba nayo i-personal brand identity worksheet. Le brand identity worksheet le ikusita njani? Itsini my brand essence. Itsini the core message, one sentence, what you stand for, your target audience kuthi nifuna bobani, then your key expertise natiwa ngani nini, your unique value yini nenda ukuthi nihluke from ama-competitors, bese i-brand promise yini ke nini le bantu labanganithemba ngayo, then ama-core values eno, 3 to 5 principles latakusita in that. Yabona? Then building your personal brand strategy. Kwekuqala, your personal brand blueprint. What is your niche? In niche, it is just the category or the subdivision of what you guys are doing. Firstly, kungaba i-passion yakho, kube skill, kube ne-market demand, bese sewakha niche yakho. Kanjani? Angithi mine i-passion yami is business, right? 2, skill sami ufundzisa. 3, i-market demand, kunebantu labafuna kucala amabhizinisi but abati ukuthi bawacale njani, kunalabanawo abati ukuthi bawakhulise kanjani. That is my niche. Now what am I doing? I am teaching people how to do business. That is just what personal brand blueprint. I'm just trying to explain it as simple as I can so that it is your passion plus your skill plus the market demand. Bese sophuma ne-niche yakho-ke. Everyone can do this, trust me. So examples: digital marketing for small businesses, career coaching for young professionals, financial literacy for Swazi youth. Kunemuntu la grouping la. You are supposed to start a mentorship for young people, because angathi ekuceleni kwasekhaya kuneskolwa. So eceleni kwasekhaya kuneskolwa, so you need to start a mentorship for young people. Maybe ube ne program once a week, maybe bokuye counseling. You see those things, noma ungakwenda ngeMgcibelo, noma ungakwenda nga-Wednesday after school, but you are here, you are in this group, you are here, you are in this group. I know I am prophesying to someone right now. You are here in this group and I've just received that word for you. Okay, let's proceed. So I just received that word for you. Please do it. Please do it. Please do it. There is a green light for you on that one. Let's move. Bese, career coaching for young professionals, and then financial literacy for Swazi youth. If maybe when what they are cool about mali, accounting, you can start financial literacy class. Ungaliqala libe free, get more people to be coming, then you make it paid. So lento uyayipackage in terms of ukuthi lele free is just general things. Bese lalabafuna something better, wakhe package for the paid one ukuthi ayi lena ke in 250 nasofuna yona, yabona. So it also works. It also works like that. My AI tools training for entrepreneurs. One of my students is doing business simply on AI. Like he just uses AI to create my logos, my designs, and it's doing very well. If business I can just start to do my logo, my poster for people using AI, and it works very well. Out seeing my week business layer. It is just free of charge. Ufunza nje class la itolo, you visit class la itolo kahle, you understand it well on how to do a content creation. Then social media management for local brands. I-social media management for local brands leyo ke it is one of the most profitable business. Uyathi kuthi lana sakhe imali yamahhala because social media management it is imali yamahhala mbamba because ucharge imali oyifunayo. I charge 500 per month for a business ku-manager page lakho, but my student, one of my students, ucharge 1.8 per month. All you do, ubaranishele ma-ads, you create ma-videos for them, and then uranishe ma-ads. Kunema-business people labangawati ranishe ma-Facebook ads. So since that was the class I'm going to show you how to run your Facebook ads, and trust me, imali yamahhala leyo nje imali yamahhala. You just take from companies, from people, and I manage more than 7 pages now for different businesses. So yeah, it works. It works. You can do that. You can just take it, uqale first thing tomorrow morning. Then your niche, the more specific the better. Bese waka brand elements. Brand elements yini? I-brand name nehandle. Ngiyakhumbula ngemsombuluko nasikhuluma about ukuthi i-page lakho phela alihambisana with the type of business that you are doing, angithi. So it is part of what? Create i-brand name nehandle. For example, leli gama futhi please try ukuthi you keep it consistent on all social media platforms, because ngenteka ukuthi kunebantu labangamsebenzisi Facebook, bevance Facebook is a waste of time, but ba-on TikTok. So ngenteka ukuthi ama-customer lamanye akho on TikTok, not Facebook. So ngicela ukuthi have an Instagram account, have a TikTok account, have a Facebook account, same name, so that noma ufuna kathi at Thulani Maseko athi ukuthi wo vele Thulani Maseko ngingamfula la TikTok, ngingamfula la Facebook, yabona. So yabona nangithi at Thulani Maseko i-personal, yabona. But nangithi at Thulani the marketer, say niche specific ukuthi udila ngani the marketer. Nasithi at digital Thulani, say industry focused leyo ukuthi i-under in i-digital world, yabona. So those things are very important. Bese i-professional headshot. I-professional headshot phela abangani bami nguleti ithombe lesisebenzisa kuma-PP ethu. Don't look like your problems. Kunebantu nawubabuka, they look like their problems. Wena vele nje vele inhlupheko seyivele ibhalwe nje even i-dress code yakho. Like, you know, if you meet me any day anywhere, you trust me, I am moneyed. I am a millionaire ngihamba. I know very well my bank account might not be that much, but if you meet me, I have that confidence. My dress code says this guy means business. This guy means business. So ungagcoki nje nawe vela ngathi hayi vele size sikusole ukuthi for instance nje la nangazi nje okay guys asibukene ama-profile picture ethu. If nje ngiscrolla nje ngamunye ngise siyacala la ku-Mr. Bheki si-check i-profile picture bubu at least ke na ude. So lama profile picture lawa amcoka lena, uyayibona le yami ukuthi njani naye. So le suit leyo was my first suit. I don't know how many years ago, but that is still my profile picture. At least you see the guy means business. Remember we Mercedes le. You see, so make sure ukuthi i-profile picture yakho ayifani phela na nezinhlupheko takho, uyabona. So